Wadau, if you have ever lost a loved one, you have experienced pain that most people have not experienced in this world. Yani kuna uchungu unasikianga yani that people cannot even relate what you are feeling. Alafu unasikianga msee anakuambia, pole, I know what you are feeling, I know what you are going through. Man, you cannot feel the pain that someone feels akiwa amelose msee. Maana kwambia, nililuzingi my father nikiwa form 2. And I'm telling you, I came to digest that loss, I think in 2022. That is when it dawned on me that, yo, Buddha, do you really know that you lost a father? That is when the pain kicked in. And I withdrew, manze, like, I couldn't imagine that I was battling something that happened in 2007 in 2022. Buddha, the dreams, the thoughts, the wishes. Man, it's a pain that you can never explain. Yo. Manze, kama hujawai experience personal loss, wewe ukiona mtu ana mourn, usiwe mjudge. Wachanga tu mourn in their own way. Wacha mourn their loss in their own way. Because it is something that you can never explain and it hits people differently. Domo arigato.